Hi, President.
Boss.
Okay lang yun. Kay... Yun talaga. O, nag-ayos. Diba? Yung si Fritz. Yes. Si Mage. Oh, mamaya nasa TikTok na kayo. Oh, isa sa mga favorite agents ko. Oh. John Rappel. Si Robbie Min. Si Marilu. Hi, Catherine. Oh, yan. Yan, si Charlie. Oh. Bye-bye, Charlie.
1, 2, 3. Video to. ELS chat sabi. And pray. 停在这一秒 It's just you and me 我们两个人 And thank you for sharing. Alam mo yun, yung parang kasi parang yung una parang negative talaga yung dating, pero dahil small talks na yun, na-realize ko na ganun ka-importante and how ito connect sa staff, same with sa so yun, parang nailabas ko kung ano yung meaning ng work ko talaga as assistant manager from the work. Diba? Kasi sinasabi yung kids, don't idle, assistant manager. Diba? Parang, so, ano na, yung agad.
Good luck sa iyong bagong journey, and this is from the team. Looks like we met, but you don't have to fight it, 'cause you're strong enough to win without the war. Yeah, my heart has a rhythm, let yours be out so loudly that everyone can hear it. Yeah, I promise you don't need to hide it anymore. Oh, and never be afraid of doing something different. All this pain is gonna be.
Natatakot tuloy ako ha. Parang lumabas dyan ha.